power on and run some tablets. I switch the power on. See, the trip lamp is on. You press the reset button. Okay, we have to unlock this, which is the emergency button was pushed down. So you have to unlock it, then press the reset. The trip lamp is off now. We are ready to run the machine. You have to start the motor first. You can see the light on. That is for the turret. Now we can turn the potentiometer to run the machine. Right now it is running at a slow speed. This is how the tablets are. I will increase the hardness a little bit more and show you how the tablets look under more compression pressure. I increased the hardness. And the tablets are quite hard when we break them. And you can increase the hardness more if you want. Of course, you'll be checking your disintegration time, friability, and all those things to make sure your tablet has enough hardness, but not too hard so that it doesn't disintegrate. And the friability should be low also. And we can run the machine at fast speed also. That is the fastest it can run, which is 36 RPM. You can see here how well the dice are scraped to maintain the tablet weight. And before, you have seen in the feed frame, the powder is there in all the pockets. You see, as you see that there is not that much powder in the third pocket of the feed frame, but the first, second, and the fourth pockets have enough powder, so that may be enough. You have to check the tablet weights, and then if there is too much variation in the tablet weight, then adjust the powder hopper so that there is powder in all the pockets. That is especially so if you are running the machine at a high speed, because the die pocket doesn't get that much time to fill with powder, so it is better to have powder in all the pockets. This knob is for adjusting the tablet weight. When you turn this knob in a clockwise direction like this, you are going to reduce the tablet weight. And if you turn the knob this way, counterclockwise, you increase the tablet weight. And this here is for the pre-compression, and this knob can be turned clockwise or counterclockwise. When it is clockwise, turned all the way clockwise, and then if you do this, you are decreasing the pre-compression pressure. But if you turn this knob counterclockwise all the way, and then you move this, you are increasing the pre-compression pressure. And this knob here is for tablet hardness. If you turn this clockwise, you are going to decrease the compression pressure, and correspondingly you will decrease the tablet weight. If you turn this counterclockwise, you are going to increase the compression pressure, and correspondingly you are going to increase the tablet hardness. There is one caution here. Do not push the hand wheel inside while the machine is running. if you have this guard on, of course you wouldn't be able to push the hand wheel inside while the machine is running, because then there is a clutch and that can really cause a problem. Make sure you have the guard on while the machine is running, because you can see even though the hand wheel has a clutch, it is still moving and we don't want it to harm anybody. And these knobs, actually they come off just like that, and you can put it back on just by sliding it on there. When you want to remove this door, you have to remove the hand wheel, you have to remove the two knobs, and then you can open the door.